It's here. After waiting and stocking my mailbox for a week, it is here. My new Color Street Independent Stylist Kit. I joined in the month of October 2019. So let's get started and see what we got. Alright guys, here's the box again. Color Street. Be colorful. Be brilliant. Be Color Street. Oh. First open it up, it's just beautiful right off the bat. 2 full-size nail files that say Color Street on them. 2 buffers. Prizes, you can keep one, give one away, keep them both. Color Street as well. Just the name is just so beautiful. 72 testers, guys. You get 5 different testers to hand out. That is one of them. Bisonites. Your testers probably are going to be different, but I got 5 different sets in mind. Party in the USA. I'm all about the glitter, guys. The glitter is so pretty to me. Coral Bay. So exciting. Mardi Gras. Then the last one is this one. Purple. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see the purple. Alright. You get 13 full-size nail things. 13 of these guys. You get 2 petites. 1 pedicure. 1 French manicure. I can't wait to try all of these. 2 solids. US Navy for the solid. That's another solid. And you get 5 different designs, probably based off of the current catalog. Northern Wonder. I'm not going to read these all to you guys. Look at how pretty all of these are, guys. I'm moving the camera so you guys can see the glitter. This is going to be perfect for fall. Good Girls Gone Plaid. You also get 2 glitter Tokyo Lights. And then I love purple and glitter. So this is probably my favorite wrap. And then the French manicures again. Let me just show you the name of that. Meet Me in Paris. This is the pedicure. Drop it like it's hot. Petites. The little darlings in your life. Tiny and shiny. Alright, so we're going to put these back. And they fit so nicely in here. They did when they first came in. Alright. The tote bag. I've already opened it for you guys. Oh, pocket. And it opens to a pretty decent size. That's the full, covers pretty much the whole box. So it spans, that's my hand. Give you kind of a reference of that. Word from our sponsors and owner, founder. I've never tried Color Street. And because I joined in the month of October, I get 5 more wraps. Come on. Trying to get the focus. There we go. Glitter. These are too pretty, guys. So again, there's still time to join in October. There is still time. And if not, I'm sure there's going to be another awesome promotion. So those are all the wraps. So I had 13 plus 5 more, 18. Do math, yeah, 18. You also get a Road
to success. So this is something you fill out, and it should help you with your fast starts and hitting those markers. These are nail polish remover pads. You get 40 of these. The nail prep pads, you get 100 of these. You get 60 mini nail files, and then you get 50 cuticle sticks. This is the catalog. You get 25 of these, and this is the opportunity brochure. You get another 25 of these. So that is everything in the kit. If you guys want samples, comment below, follow the links, and please request samples, guys. I have 72 of these. That's a lot of samples. On my nails, my lovely sponsor sent me Tokyo Lights. So that is what I have on right now with just nail polish. Trying it out. Obviously, I love Color Street because I joined. But that's what's on my nails right now. So yeah, feel free to reach out, and thank you so much. Bye.